Sumatra is the sixth largest island in the world, covering an area of approximately 473,481 square kilometers, 182,812 square miles. It is part of Indonesia, which consists of more than 17,000 islands. Sumatra is known for its rich biodiversity, hosting many unique species of flora and fauna. The island is home to the critically endangered Sumatran orangutan, one of only 3 species of orangutans in the world. Sumatra has numerous active volcanoes, including Mount Sinabung, which erupted in 2010 after being dormant for centuries. The island's interior is dominated by dense jungles and high mountains, creating a diverse range of ecosystems. Lake Toba, located in Sumatra, is the largest volcanic lake in the world, formed by a supervolcanic eruption around 74,000 years ago. Sumatra is the origin of the famous Padang cuisine, known for its spicy flavors and variety of dishes, such as rendang and sate. The island is home to several indigenous groups, each with their own unique culture and traditions. Sumatra's unique geography contributes to its status as one of the most biodiverse regions on the planet. The island has a tropical rainforest climate, which supports a wide range of plant and animal life. Sumatran tigers are another critically endangered species found only on this island. The island is rich in natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals, making it economically significant to Indonesia. The Batak people, indigenous to northern Sumatra, are known for their intricate wood carvings and strong cultural traditions. Sumatra is also famous for its coffee, particularly the Sumatra Manteling variety, which is highly sought after worldwide. The lush landscapes are dotted with numerous waterfalls, with Sipisapiso being one of the tallest. The island has a history of colonization, first by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later by the Dutch. The capital city of North Sumatra is Medan, one of the largest cities in Indonesia. Sumatra is a hotspot for ecotourism, attracting visitors interested in wildlife, hiking, and natural beauty. The Mentawai Islands, located off the west coast of Sumatra, are known for their stunning beaches and surfing spots. Sumatra features diverse ecosystems, including tropical rainforests, mangroves, and savannas. The island is prone to earthquakes and tsunamis due to its location on the Pacific Ring of Fire. Traditional Sumatra textiles, like the songket, are known for their intricate patterns and rich colors. The island has a vast network of rivers that are vital for transportation and agriculture. Sumatra's Lake Toba region is believed to have been home to early human ancestors, as evidence of prehistoric settlements have been found. The island is a significant habitat for the Sumatran elephant, a critically endangered species. Sumatran wildlife includes other rare species like the Sumatran rhinoceros and Malayan sun bear. The diverse cultures of Sumatra reflect a mix of Malay, Indian, Chinese, and Arab influences. The city of Bukit Tinggi, located in West Sumatra, is known for its cool climate and striking mountain scenery. The island's rainforest contains many medicinal plants used in traditional medicine. The conservation efforts in Sumatra are crucial for protecting its unique wildlife and ecosystems. Sumatra is famous for its traditional music and dance, with various regional styles reflecting its diverse cultures. The island has several national parks, including Gunung Lusur National Park, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sumatran rice varieties are known for their unique textures and flavors, contributing to the island's culinary diversity. The island features several ancient temples, including those from the Srivijaya Empire. Hunting and deforestation have posed significant threats to the island's wildlife. The Orangutan Rehabilitation Center in Bukit Lawang is a renowned facility for rescuing and rehabilitating orangutans. Sumatra has a vibrant art scene, with traditional crafts like batik and wood carving being prevalent. The island's coastlines offer stunning views, with numerous beaches catering to tourists. Sumatran people celebrate various festivals throughout the year, often tied to agricultural cycles and cultural heritage. The island experiences monsoon seasons, with heavy rainfall typically occurring between November and March. Sumatra's mountainous regions are a favorite for trekkers and adventure seekers. The island's forests play a crucial role in carbon storage, aiding in climate change mitigation. Traditional Sumatran houses are built using wood and raised on stilts, reflecting architectural adaptability to the environment. The Kono cones, a volcanic feature on the island, are notable for their unique geological formations. The island is rich in wildlife, with many species found nowhere else in the world.